All right, y'all. So we're out here at Lawerance Lewis Park, and the name of the game today is going to be some catfish. You know, got a couple hours to burn, and we're gonna see if we can't get lucky. You know, for those that haven't been out here before, it's pretty tranquil, but if you don't come out here early, this place could get very popular pretty quick. But it's a nice family area for the most part. You have everything that you may need in order to have a enjoyable time out here. You got shade, you got facilities, you got nature trails, you got a kid park, and you got this awesome fishing pier. Name of the game is some catfish. All right, let's get it. We're going to be using the high-low rigs. We got the J hooks, and we're going to use some night crawlers. And usually I'll come out here with some cut bait or some eel, but you know, we're just here to kill a few hours, but we'll see. Hopefully we could get a bite here pretty soon. The current, it's going out. As you can tell, everything is heading that way, but it's pretty cool, pretty nice and surreal, like a good family spot. I bring my kids here all the time. And the thing about this particular fishery is, like, it's a fairly safe bet that you will catch a catfish. So hopefully we didn't jinx ourselves. We came out here yesterday and we did pretty good. When I say pretty good, it was like one almost every cast we were hooking one. So I don't know if we'll keep any, but we'll see. In order to get that, we would have to first catch one. So let's see. And we got one gentleman here. I'm not sure what he's doing, but he got a prime spot as far as placement. Now what you'll see, especially if you come out here, is there's a lot of bait that comes through. So you have a lot of predatory species out here. However, the only thing I've caught out here is catfish and perch and stuff like that. But you'll see the sturgeon and the gar, they'll come up and they'll breach pretty frequently. And you know, I'm sure throughout this video we'll even hear them. So yeah, I like to throw it as far out as I can towards that, and you'll see the current making it bounce. But when we get one, you'll know. You see, we got there. Yeah. And if you come out here with like a bait rig, like a sabinki or something, you could drop down right beside the pier and you'll pull up some herring. They just got done dredging a good portion of this place, so a lot of the stuff that was stuck on the bottom has gotten loose, and you know, you'll see it floating. So you guys that are out there in your boats, just be careful. Anything? Anything?
No, nothing else.
Nice. keeping them?
I don't eat them. I just love the fish.
Yeah, me too.
I just love the fish.
All right, let's get another one out there. Don't want to lose that. There's a lot of guards. They're coming up. White perch.
Good for bait.
Yeah.
They start coming in now.
Man, that's good. That's good to see that. Real good.
You don't know he gonna be my bait.
I think I might throw my net around too. Shoot. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's exactly what that is. Hey, you baby catfish. That's crazy.
One day I came, I threw my net. I thought I had that from the shiner.
Yeah.
I pulled it like about 100 or something. Them chains. I was mad.
Baby catfish, man.